What's up guys? Here we're going to be installing a large wall repair kit, and I just want to talk to you about all the equipment that is not included in the kit that if you have handy, it's going to make your repair so much easier. So the first thing we have is a 10-foot extension cord. Normally that's going to span in a bathroom. And then I have a 3-prong splitter. And then on that splitter I have a blow dryer, an orbital sander, and then a vacuum. If you have those 3 pieces of equipment all hooked up at the same time, you're going to keep your project area clean and you're going to move through the repair in an efficient manner. Another thing you want to have handy is drill with a 5/16 inch drill bit. That's going to be definitely necessary on a floor crack repair and possibly necessary on a wall repair if you have a crack shooting off of the damage. Another thing you want to have is just some paper towels, trash bucket. You always want to have a respirator, whether you purchase a disposable respirator on our website, something to mix your putty on, so a paper plate. We have these mixing sheets because we do these all day long. And then you also want to have either a box cutter or a pair of scissors, because on this hole we're going to have to use the mesh tape, so that's going to help cut the mesh tape. If you have all of this equipment, everything else you need is included in the kit. So we're going to take this kit apart. We're actually going to make these repairs with one of these large wall repair kits, and we're going to talk to you about what we're doing as we go through. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy the video.